Hi, it's Lori and I'm back with another process video for the Spiegelmom Scraps design team. This is my code. If you want 15% off your next Spiegelmom Scraps order, just add it into your order and you'll get 15% off. So the sequins that I'll be using today are the Silver Lining and Dance It Out sequins. I'm going to be making my own shaker pocket from a leftover sheet of packaging. And to close off the bag, I'm just going to use this 1/8, this double-sided tape. The size is 1/8, and you can also get it at the Spiegelmom Scraps shop. And then I'm just gonna toss a bit of the sequins into the bag, just mixing both mixes up. And there, shaker pocket done, and I recycled. And also I'm going to be pairing, I'm going to be using the Pebbles Baby Boy collection. And I chose this like leafy background as my base. I'm going to add a layer of white acrylic paint just to fade it out a bit. You can definitely use white gesso to create the same effect. I used a brayer to I just wanted to fade away a bit of the background so that my embellishments could pop. And then I'm going to use Blue My Mind from Shimmers. It's one of their new colors. And I just splattered it around. And I'm going to be documenting this picture of my oldest son back when he was about 2.5 months old. I purposely left a white border around the picture, and I'm just trimming down some leftover pieces of the Pebbles collection just to create that, layered look. I'm offsetting the pieces of patterned paper. I'm not like squaring them away or anything. And then let's see, I do use my scissors to sort of distress the borders of the papers. And I'm using these pop dots from the Spiegelmom Scraps shop as well to add dimension to my picture. And afterwards, this was a pretty quick layout. I made it in under 30 minutes, so super easy if you want to scrap lift it. Super awesome. And then I'm using a 1/4 inch double-sided tape, also from the Spiegelmom Scraps shop, to stick my shaker pocket onto the background. And then after I've placed the shaker pocket, I go ahead and layer in the picture. And once I'm done with that, I took it off a bit because it was a bit crooked. After that, I just start layering in embellishments. So these two dinosaurs are from a leftovers from a cut file I used in a previous layout, and I just left them white. I'm using them as layering pieces, basically just adding that whimsical side to the layout. And in total, I create 3 distinct embellishment clusters, and I just mix and match the sizing because I love to do this. I love to mix and match the sizes of the embellishments. I feel like they add something different, like it's not all the same. So I just definitely love doing that. And so as I mentioned, the dinosaurs, I'm just gonna, layer them in. I placed a couple of texty embellishments on top of them, and again placing embellishments here and there. If you have Instagram, I encourage you to go over to Instagram, look for at Spiegelmom_scraps, and look at all the wonderful inspiration we have there for you guys. Last Sunday, we had an inspiration hop where the design team ladies showed off the various techniques in which we can use sequins, and they were amazing. So back to the layout. After I'm done with the embellishments, I go ahead and add a couple of Nuvo drops in light blue and granny green granny apple and granny apple green. There we go. And then I go ahead and sprinkle a couple of the silver lining sequins around the clusters and where I'm going to be adding the journaling, which is right below my picture. That's where I'm going to be adding the my journaling. Yeah. And then to finish it off, I splash a bit of French twist. That's a new color from Shimmers. And yeah, afterwards, close-ups should be coming up. Here they are. I love how this layout turned out. I hope I've inspired you to DIY, create your own your own shaker pocket out of leftover sequin packets, or not sequin packets, but leftover packages. I hope to see you back soon with another process video, and take care.